Hey, what's up, Cardano holder? This is the live price prediction of Cardano. You watching ABS Technical Channel. Please click the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon for all new updates. This is live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can check it out. The Cardano last highest change is absolutely going good. You can see here the change of plus 0.52%, absolutely going good change. And if we check it out, the highest change of Cardano is absolutely going good, 1.16 US dollar. This is good change. And if you can see here, the Cardano graph is absolutely going upward. So this is absolutely going good. So let's see, let's check it out. The last 2 hour result, I hope the last 2 hour result is absolutely good. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely good. I hope today they easily cross 2 US dollar, and this is the day of Cardano. So absolutely going good. I am so excited. I am so happy because I am also Cardano holder. You can see here the result of highest change as 0.61 US 0.61% is going up. This is absolutely good change. And if we can see here the highest change as 1.16 US dollars, this is absolutely very good. This is keep going. What we can say that this is live price prediction. I think this is just buying time. This is absolutely buying time. If you want to buy it, then please suggest, comment me. Okay, for communication, just comment us. Okay, keep touching ABS Tech, subscribe, and don't forget to like video. Okay, see you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.